Hello everyone, and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb blow up and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb blow up is to destroy or be destroyed with an explosion. The president's security detail has doubled after they received worrying information. Terrorists have issued a threat to blow up the residence. Everyone stay on high alert. The house caught fire after there was an explosion. Our boiler blew up and the house went up in flames. Meaning two of blow up is when a serious argument or problem suddenly begins. During the government debate, things got heated. After the minister's remarks, a political row blew up during the debate. The office manager had to come between two employees during a team meeting. This back and forth arguing needs to stop before it blows up and gets out of hand. An argument broke out between the pair very suddenly. I can't take this anymore. Once again, you've just blown up at me over nothing. Meaning three of blow up is to make an image bigger. The woman is decorating her home. I really like this photo, so I blew it up and put it on my wall. The old man can't see the picture clearly. Can you blow it up and make it bigger somehow? So, let's summarize. Blow up can mean to destroy or be destroyed with an explosion. The army blew up the enemy base. When a serious argument or problem suddenly begins. The teacher blew up at the student. To make an image bigger. They blew up the image and put it on a building in Times Square. Where did you hear the phrasal verb blow up? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.